What if I told you one of the smartest art thieves got caught by a tiny Google Maps mistake? Rotterdam 2012. The Kunsthal Museum is preparing a blockbuster show. Picasso, Monet, Matisse. Gauguin. No bulletproof glass, only motion sensors and cameras. At 3 a.m., a Romanian crew led by Radu Dogaru walks through a rainstorm. They have cased the museum for days, timed police patrols, found a glass emergency door. They sliced the frame with tools, trigger an alarm that security misreads as a glitch. In under 90 seconds, they rip 7 masterpieces off the walls and vanish. Interpol floods Europe with alerts. Investigators pull camera footage, phone records, taxi logs. Nothing. Then a small detail cracks it. Romanian police spot Dogaru's village on border crosser lists. An accomplice's girlfriend Googles the museum and routes from Rotterdam on a seized laptop. Under pressure, Dogaru's mother panics and claims she burned the paintings in a stove. Experts sift ash from her yard and find nails and pigment traces consistent with 19th century art. Those 7 works, worth over $100 million, are officially missing to this day.